This is a video that shows how to factor perfect squares, good job, with some greatest common factor involved. Let's say we have the problem 3x squared minus 27. Well, first thing you want to do is check for the GCF. The GCF would be 3. So I'm going to divide them both by 3. And I'm going to write 3 times. 3 divided by 3 is 1. But since the x squared is there, I don't need to write the 1. 27 divided by 3 is 9. Now, do you see what's inside the parentheses? We need to do the difference of two squares, dots. So don't forget to copy the 3. The 3 is still part of your answer. But remember to split this up. You do x times x. For 9, you do 3 times 3. And because it's negative, we do 1 plus, 1 minus. And this is our answer. Okay, let's try another problem. Let's say we're doing the problem 4x squared minus 64. First, you want to look for your GCF. You can divide both of those by 4. So I'm going to divide both of those by 4. And I'm going to write that like this. 4 divided by 4 is 1, but I'm not going to write that. And 64 divided by 4 is 16. Now look what you've got in the parentheses. We have another dots problem. And all of your problems for your homework today are going to be similar to this. We're going to copy the 4. And to do the difference of two perfect squares, we split this up to be x times x to make x squared. The 16, we split it up to 4 times 4. And because it's minus, we're doing 1 plus, 1 minus. Okay, one last problem. This is problem number 3. It's a little trickier. Let's say we have 45 minus 20x squared. So once again, I'm looking for the GCF. Looks like it's a 5. So I'm going to divide both of these by 5. 45 divided by 5 is 9. 20 divided by 5 is 4. And then I still have an x squared sitting there. But look, for the third time in a row, once we get done with our GCF, we have a difference of two perfect squares. So write 2 parentheses for that. To split the 9 up, it's going to be 3 times 3, 1 plus, 1 minus. Split the 4 up to be 2 times 2. Split the x squared up to be x times x. And now we're all done. So you should be able to do the homework assignment for tonight. Good job. Wash your hands. Take a walk.